we are in Naples. I'm so excited. It's my first time in Napoli, and right now we're about to have breakfast. We have this yummy like lunchy, like little sandwich situation. I got an espresso just because these local places, they don't have like alternative milk, so I usually get an espresso. And yeah, Ami got herself a pastry as well and a cappuccino. So let's have breakfast and yeah.
Hello Ramona, I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello Ramona, I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. Hello Ramona, I mistook you for a dream. The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know. Hello Ramona, I push back the serious feeling. The end's unknown, to get back the life I used to know. All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly, I should be the last to know. All in this, I stand
To Kiko Milano, and I got myself a lipstick because I needed a lipstick, and I got it in the color red. So I'm just gonna go do my eyeliner and pop on this red lippy, and I'll come catch up with you. Oh yeah, this is our room. I haven't showed you our room. It's a bit chaotic at the moment, but basically here's the door. There's a little like wardrobe situation. There's the bed. It comes with like little amenities. This is what the staff left on top of the bed. It was tidy. We've just messed it up because we've just been lounging. And then we have this floor to ceiling window, which is beautiful. And then there's like a little desk with TV. And then here is the bathroom with the shower and the sink. And that is our hotel. We've also bought so much pasta. Oh my god, my arm. This much. We went to this place called Rossotono. Ugh. And yeah, we're gonna be putting this in our bags, in our backpacks. And fingers crossed we can carry it, because we're gonna have to carry it around all day tomorrow. But yeah, anyways, for now, I'm just going to go put this on. I'm gonna open the curtains actually. Oh, It's really bright. I'm gonna put this lipstick on and we will see how it looks on. I think I'm gonna do a little eyeliner as well. It's the next day and it's also our final day here in Napoli. And we are just walking by the seaside and just kind of like taking in the view one last time. We have our backpacks with us and we are going to go grab some coffee at the same brunch spot that we went yesterday, just because we're going to go to that area to explore. So yeah. We are having a last drinky poo situation. We're gonna have Aperol Spritz each. We have to leave in about half an hour to go catch our flight, but we've had a really good time. I've enjoyed Napoli, I've enjoyed the food, it's been really good.